Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page. Yes, the puzzle page in this weekend edition of Saturday, July the 29th, 2023. 6 puzzles we have here. The 3-star Sudoku, another 3 stars, but actually it's a 1 star. It has 27 printed digits. We have a killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries. 10 by 10, and the last one is a tectonic. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. And the first one I will solve is the 3-star Sudoku. Well, this one has not 25 printed digits, no, 26. Yeah, it should be at 2 stars. And this will be number 6830. All right, and for a 3-star Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the 3rd column, so the column between the 2nd column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 1 1 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 1 cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. All right, 4 4. Okay, need a 4 here. Let me see. 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, so 3 3, okay. Let me see. The 9. Need a 8. Need a 7. No 7. Yeah, 7. Come on. Need a 5 here. 7 in the 1st row, 7 in the 3rd row, so the row between the 2nd row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in this row, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the 1st column, 7 in the 2nd column, so the 3rd column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 cannot continue with the 7 now, need to wait. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this 3rd column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the 2nd row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 4 in the 3rd row, 4 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 4, okay. Need a 4 here. Well, need a 4 there. 2 missing numbers in the 2nd row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the 1st column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8. 8, 8, 8. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have 6 and 8 in middle row, so no 6 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. 2, 3, and a 9. We have here 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. So 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, and 3. 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright. Okay. 2 and 8. 2 and 8, okay. Interesting. Need a 7 here. Need a 1 here. The 1 there. 1 here. Okay, 2, 3, and 6. 2, 3, and 6. Need a 6 here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 9, 9, yeah. 1 box left in the first column for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 8, 8. 1, 1. 9, 9. 3, 3. Need a 2 here. 2, 2. Well. Need a 4 here. 4, 4. Okay. Come on. These 3 missing numbers in the first row, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 1, 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. The other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 4, 5, and 6 is missing, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 9. No 5 here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 5. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 in last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes and there. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in the column next on that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So the other 2 numbers here should be the 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So these two boxes should be the 2 and the 6 then. 2 and the 6, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. One box left in this column for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. Here, 1 row above, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Then, let me see. Need a 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. We need a 5 there also. 6 and the 8. 6, 8 and the 7. Okay, and now. 8, 8. Yeah, need a 6 here. Come on. Need a 4 here. 3 in the last row. 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Yeah, 3, 3. Need a 3 here. There we have a 3. How about 6. Need a 5. How about here? 7 and the 8. I'm missing here. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 and the 8. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers for this big square for the same numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.